Hey, welcome back to another video of Programmer Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to add the social logins in your WordPress account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now at the address bar, type in wordpress.com and click on enter. Also make sure that you are logged into your account. Now hover your mouse to your profile icon, which is at the top right corner of your screen, and you will find edit profile link. Click on it. After that, at the left hand side of your screen, scroll down a little and you will see a security tab. Click on the security tab, and at the right hand side of your screen, scroll down to the bottom and you will find connections tab. Under the connections tab, you will see social logins option. Click on it. Now you will find three options to connect from here. If you want to connect your Google account, you need to click on this button. After that, continue with your email address and password by selecting any one of your accounts. Now, if you want to connect your Apple account, click on this button and type in your iCloud information on this field here. After that, if you want to connect your GitHub account, click on this button and log in using your GitHub account from here. So that is how you can add your social logins in your WordPress account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.